Hello guys! Hello ulit.
Hi! Hello ulit. Ayan.
Magbabalik po kami for our episode number 5. Ayan. Nakakalahati na tayo dito sa Wordle game na to.
Halos. Pag natapos natin tong text.
So, yun. So, as you can see, na, ayan, 40% complete yung ating categories. So, last time, ang category natin is computers. No? Something na very informative. Medyo mahaba yung ating video, pero yeah, very informative. And hopefully, marami kayong natutunan doon. No? Hopefully, informative siya. And hopefully, this episode will also be informative as the last few episodes. No?
So, parang feeling ko medyo challenging tong next.
Yeah. Because our next category is monsters. I'm not quite familiar.
Not also quite familiar. Pero kung may mga kilala kayong monsters dyan, paki-comment down below.
Monsters Inc. ba yan? Si Mike Wazowski.
So, si Sully. Sige.
Diba? Yun. So,
let's try to see if we can answer this one. Ayan.
Tsaka yung mga other monster na
Monster friends, monster villains.
Yeah. So, sige.
Alright.
Anyways, oops. Tama ba yung ating ano?
Tama. Ayan. Let's have
So,
level 1.
Level 1 ng episode 5. Tignan natin. Wala akong masyadong matirivya sa monster. Ang alam ko lang monster, yung mga panakot eh.
Oo. Sige. Ayan. Can you,
monster truck siguro. Monster truck. Yan.
Sige.
Okay, episode
let's try.
level...
Okay.
Oh, this one's harder, dude.
Yeah, it
okay.
is harder. Sure.
Oh, okay.
Let's
Challenging
see.
yung mga previous episodes, 9 letters. Ito, 16 letters na yung pamimilian natin and we have 3.
Parang yung isa, gusto kong i-try. Sana
Sige.
tama ako. Devil.
Okay.
Yan. So, D-E-V-I-L. Yan.
Right off the bat.
Sila. Right off the bat.
Uh-huh.
V.
Oh, sorry.
Wala. V-I-L.
Yan, tama ba?
Okay, let's see.
Okay,
That's...
sure.
Okay.
Okay.
The other one, I am not sure. What's this?
The longer one is quite hard. The bear?
Blank, devil, blank.
Bear? Is it bear? Oh.
Mapapahaba ba tong episode natin dahil?
So, kailangan natin ng no? Susunod na live din tayo para...
Oo, para tulungan tayo. Call a friend. Joke. Sige. Blank, devil, blank.
Aha. Ano kaya to? Kasi yung O naka-separate. So, mostly, connected siya sa G, syempre.
Oo. Ogre? O-G-R-E?
Oh, yeah.
Ogre. Yeah.
So, si ano to?
Correct. Joke. Ogre.
Yeah.
Yung isa na-gets ko na after, ogre. Alam mo yung bookworm na nilalaro natin na may different kinds of monsters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
The other one is a banshee. B-A-N-S-H-E-E.
Oh.
So, ogre,
What
devil,
does that
tsaka banshee. So, confirm natin since... Sige. Ha?
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Sige, yung ogre, parang si Shrek yun. Pero yung banshee... Teka. Let's see. Banshee. Okay. So... A banshee... Okay, I'm gonna read it out. It's from my desktop. So, a banshee is a female spirit in Gaelic folklore whose appearance or wailing warns a family that one of them will soon die. So itong
Okay.
monster na to,
The familiar spirit na.
Yeah. So, this monster, this female spirit, pag narinig mo yung kanyang wailing, you know what wailing sounds like. Yeah. So, it's kind of a warning sign na may mamamatay na isa sa family member mo. Ayun.
Parang premonition.
Ha?
Parang premonition.
Yeah, somehow. This lady monster. So, medyo mapapahaba tayo because we're gonna confirm some things. Basta yung ogre, isipin niyo si Shrek. Okay.
Shrek.
Ayan. Alright, sige.
Okay, so yun. Thank you very much for
Nakikita
that.
ko to dun sa bookworm, something, yun. Yung banshee na yan. Okay. Oh, okay. The first one is
So we have
kind of
two
familiar. It's in the movies. The
movies.
first one that starts with a G is somehow quite familiar to you. It's
Me?
from to us. Yeah. You see this in the movies. Actually, this one has a movie.
Goblin.
No?
Joke lang. Wala pa lang yun.
Letter G. Yung
Letter G.
second one, i-explain ko sa'yo. Pero the first one is Godzilla.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's why you
letter
saw
G.
the letter Z. Yung G-O-D.
Okay.
Yan, sige.
Oh, yeah. Is actually a Godzilla is a dinosaur, is it? A
Yeah,
dragon?
something like that. Yep.
Spelling.
D-I-L-L-A. Okay. And then the
Nice.
second one is something that I'm gonna explain to you. It's a basilisk.
Kind of heard of that, but yeah.
Yeah. I also heard of this. Pero sabi ko nung kino-confirm ko siya, kinonfirm ko na din sa friend natin ngayon na si Google. Okay, basilisk. So, huwag mo muna papindutin. A basilisk is a mythical reptile with a lethal gaze or breath hatched by a serpent from a cock's egg. So, medyo mythical creature pala ang isang basilisk. So, lethal gaze. So, pag nakita mo daw itong monster na to, mamamatay ka. Pag tinitigan ka niya. Or pag nahingahan ka niya, mamamatay ka.
Pinakatabi kang ano.
May bad breath.
Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry na po. Ayan.
Anyways. Yun ba yung tawag sa kanila, basilisk?
Uy, grabe. Uy, sa
Sorry.
ating dalawa lang to siguro. Pag, ano mo, may basilisk ako nakatabi sa Diyos.
Sorry.
Alam mo na yun,
Anyways.
Jai. Pag
Okay.
kwento ko sa'yo ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Okay. The first one is very familiar to us as well. Nakakita mo din siya sa Bookworm Adventures. Siya yung mahaba. Siya yung mahaba.
Wait, I got the
long one.
The long one. I got it.
Is the one-eyed monster. The Cyclops. Okay. Yung O, nawala.
One of the X-Men. No?
Nawala yung isa, yung O. Cyclops. L-O. Okay.
Ay, sorry.
C-Y-C-L-O.
Yeah. Si
So,
pala ako nga. Sorry.
Cyclops, the one-eyed
Sorry.
monster. Yeah. Nakikita mo din siya sa Bookworm Adventures. Doon sa hindi familiar, ano yung Bookworm Adventures na nilalaro namin? It's a word game.
Yeah, it's a word game. Yeah.
It's kind of old school. I don't know if it still exists, but I missed playing that kasi may natututunan akong words.
Try
It's a
natin
challenge
hanapin.
din.
Sa susunod baka rin natin.
Baka
Tapos meron pa
meron.
isa yung Hungaro.
Ay, Hungaroos. Medyo masaya din yun.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't let the...
Bookworm
Kangaroo
Deluxe. Yung Bookworm
Oh,
Deluxe.
Yeah.
Ayun. Okay.
So-
The next one is a hag.
Okay.
Ito, medyo familiar yung hag. Yung parang siyang bruha. Ayan. Tapos 3 letters na yung iba. Ito.
What's the other?
Hindi naman Pim. Pim ba? Pim o Mip? Kung kasi sila magkalapit eh. May Pim bang monster? Sorry. Sorry.
Are cops meet and monster cops? Sorry na po. Sorry sa mga police out there. Ayan. So, you're not.
Yeah, there is. There is a pimp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's a pimp.
Okay, a pimp pala. Sige, while we're at it, sige, you click that.
Oh, it doesn't.
Doesn't work. Pero there's something called a pimp. So a pimp daw appears to be an evil entity resembling the distorted head of a duck.
Oh, it's not. It's not.
But it doesn't exist there. Hindi naman,
not the answer.
Mop. Hindi naman mop. Bakit may monster bang mop?
Mop? Maybe. Oh, yeah, it doesn't connect the R pala.
Hindi naman yung mop. Hindi naman yung mop na pinamamop sa sahig. M-O-P. Okay, I forgot. It's an imp. Hindi mip. Hindi siya pimp, hindi siya mip. It's an imp. Imp.
Okay. Okay.
Alam mo yung imp na yan? Imp a picture paints Dion. Okay? Sorry,
okay,
I joined the competition yesterday. And we studied different song genres which might be part of the contest. So we really had to study.
Is it an orc?
So yung imp pala is a European mythological being similar to a fairy or a demon. Frequently described in folklore and superstition. Okay? Ayan. So it's kind of similar to a demon. And the other one is an orc or a core. ORC.
Right.
Let's see.
Oh, it is!
Yeah, there is. Sige, let's also Let's also research on that.
Check that out.
So medyo ang dami natin tututunan sa monsters, no? Di ba?
Surprising.
Yeah. An orc is an evil spirit, ogre, or devouring monster from hell. Oh, okay. Yun pala yun.
So it's a mythical creature.
Most of these are mythical na we don't even know who they are.
Yeah. Yep. So yeah, we have 3 words for this level.
This is kind of hard because I don't know all of them.
That's the challenge nga actually. That's
the first one is easy. Actually, this year is referred to as the year of this monster.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
The first one's kind of easy. It's the year of this monster, actually. We know dragons are mythical creatures. Diba?
Which is actually, well, biblically speaking, there are such.
Meron din, yeah. Dragon.
It's not just the myth.
Okay. Ayan, so ito na yung mahirap.
Not mythical, it's a real.
Yes. And yeah, the Chinese celebrates the year of the dragon. Right?
What's the next monster? A troll?
Yeah. Oh, that's one. Alam ko yung trolls. Ewan ko, sino nanood na Frozen sa inyo? Di ba yung trolls doon sa Frozen 1? Yung kasama, yung friends ni Sven. Ni Kristoff. Si Sven pala yung moose. Di ba? Troll, Tsaka yung trolls na napapanood nyo, yung Can't Stop the Feeling. Iba pa yun.
The other, yung mga nanto-troll.
Oo, yeah.
So they're basically that term point na connotation ng troll are actually parang to deceive somebody or it's based from the diba? Yung internet trolls.
Oh, the other one pala. Okay, so Dragon Troll and then this one is a Titan. Paano yun? Naisip mo Teen Titans.
Titans, yes. Monster.
Titans, go. So, kasi I like Teen Titans and Teen Titans Go. The very comedy side of Teen Titans. Gusto ko yun.
Yeah, pero, but Titan
a Titan pala, it's a tag used for divine creations of deities. So, they might be born from the union of 2 deities, manufactured on a divine forge, born from the blood spilled by a god, or otherwise brought about through divine will or substance. Kaso, paano ba yun? So, yun pala ibig sabihin kasi kami sa Titana, we are, home of the Titans. So, wow, Titans pala kami. So, monster pala kami. Ayun.
It's a very parang it's a paganistic belief.
I guess that's why we have to choose our icons wisely. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam to.
Yep.
Diba?
So yun, anyways, yun yung ibig sabihin ng Titan. Parang mythical, parang son of the gods, parang ganun yung ibig sabihin.
Tapos medyo hindi sila tao.
Yeah, and yun nga. That's why it's in the category of monsters. Parang they're, they have supernatural powers that, are because, a result of, such, union. Anyways, yun lang.
Alright, sige. Nakakalahati na tayo. Very good. Pero this one, the first one is, yung ganitong character na to sa Sesame Street. Yung mahilig magbilang.
Ha? Mahilig magbilang? Oh.
Oo. Si The Count. The Count is one of this monster. And the very first one, the long one, is an easy one, actually. Nakikita niyo ito pag Halloween. One of the icons.
Yeah.
Halloween.
It's
a vampire. So the Count from Sesame Street is actually a vampire.
Okay.
Yung letter R dun sa baba. Alright. Ito ang mahirap. Okay. The other one is the other one is ghoul. Ghoul. So, Ghoul. Sige. Tawag pag nawala yung isa, nagigets ko yung iba. Pero sige, what's a ghoul? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Sa Scooby-Doo ko lang na pong ghoul.
Kinda familiar with this one.
Yeah.
But...
Sa Scooby-Doo ko nga ito narinig. Diba? When you watch Scooby-Doo. Ghoul. Ghoul.
Okay.
Ghoul. A ghoul is an evil spirit or phantom, especially one supposed to rob graves and feed on dead bodies. Ew. So, these are ghouls. Actually, naibinig ko lang tong word na to sa Scooby-Doo kasi yung mga nanonood ng Scooby-Doo dyan, you might know what I'm saying. Okay, next is a Yeti.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. A Yeti is I forgot what a Yeti is, but I guess it's yung Bigfoot sa Himalaya, sinasabi nila. It's a Yeti. Okay.
Nice. All right, so that's quite interesting. Okay.
We know that a ghoul steals bodies in the graves. This one's kind of different.
They're actually they're grave diggers, parang ganun.
Oh, yeah. Ano to? Ano to?
Goons. Joke
Goons.
lang.
Can you try?
The thing is, H would not have any.
Won't have a connection. Oh, yeah. Ano to? Comment down below, guys, if you think you know the answer.
That's a
okay. The first one's very easy.
6. Tama, 6.
The 5-letter one is very easy. This is actually now used as a Gen Z term, by the way.
Oh.
This is now used as a Gen Z term when you suddenly disappear after being in a talking stage.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Ayan.
Oh, yeah. Okay, got it.
So, sa mga na-ghost na dyan, shout out sa inyo. At sa mga nang-go-ghost din dyan, shout out din po sa inyo. We don't encourage ghosting, guys, ha? Okay. So, kung ayaw nyo naman matuloy yung relationship, ayaw nyo matuloy, gusto nyo itigil, huwag kayo mang-ghost, ha? Hindi, masama yun. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. The other one's kind of easy as well. We have been talking about it earlier. We've been talking about it earlier actually. It's a demon.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Usually kasi this one is being used as a derogatory term. Lalo pag Tagalog nito, di ba? Oh,
Yeah.
pag yan ang sinabi sa'yo, ay, masasaktan ka talaga. This one is kind of unfamiliar to me. The NUD.
Undead.
Oh, the
Yeah,
undead.
zombies. You know.
The category. The category
they,
undead.
Yeah, undead. Like,
Nice.
those zombies and all that. They call that undead.
Oh, yung mga nanonood ng The Walking Dead dyan.
Yeah.
Baka sila
Mga
yun.
ganun. Yeah.
So,
yun.
Paalala, huwag manggo-ghost ha.
Ayun. Okay. So, yan. Alright, so we go to the next one. 2-letter word na medyo mahaba.
They're kinda this is kinda hard. It's level 7.
Yeah, sorry for guys kung wala tayong masyadong kwentuhan, ganun kasi.
Oo, kasi
Pero,
una sa
yeah.
lahat, hindi naman kami,
we're not fond of
people.
horror and
Oo. Actually, I only saw Walking Dead as a commercial.
Yeah.
Kasi nung may cable subscription pa naman kami, pero nung yung cable subscription namin sa bahay, meron pang Fox doon. Doon ako sa Fox nanonood ng basta may pinanonood ako doon. I guess, basta may pinanonood ako sa Fox, tapos biglang nasa commercial yung The Walking Dead. So, okay.
Pero not talaga. The entire yung kumbaga parang generally, well, yeah, I'm not into
Even
not
ako
just parang yun nga, monster.
anything that relates to monsters.
At saka
Except-
even mythological, no.
Oo.
I'm not a
mythology person. Oo, hindi.
Yeah, not a mythology person. Though sa major kasi namin
When we study kasi, we
that's
study
mine.
that as part of English kasi.
Yeah, that's one of the things that I'm bored with. Yeah. So, yeah.
That's,
So, yun.
mythology is actually our Waterloo.
Yeah.
Minsan,
So, yun.
when you say that's my Waterloo, it means that's your weakness.
Weakness.
Diba? Saan ba natalo si Napoleon Bonaparte? Doon. Sa Waterloo. Tsaka, Achilles heel din namin yung mythology. Masyado tayo allusion ngayon, no?
Yeah. Very
Anyway.
much.
Yes.
So, yun. Let's dun sa lahat ng segue namin, di ko pa rin po na
Pwede po makita kung ano
yung sagot. Yun. So, anyways, yun nga. Pero, for those who are a fan of horror, like gore and like monsters out there, shout out to you. And comment naman kung ano yung mga relatable dun sa mga nasagot natin. And yeah, just comment down below yung inyong mga kumbaga ideas regarding those things that we have so far talked about. So, ano kaya ito?
Diba? Okay lang sa akin kung nandito yung Hydra, yung 7 heads. Diba? Yun na sa Bookworm Adventures.
Oo nga yun.
Ma-search nga yung Monsters of Bookworm Adventures. Baka nandyan yan. Diba?
Ano kaya to?
Enemies of Bookworm Adventures. Oh, may Bookworm Adventures wiki page. Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
So,
all items. Yay.
How many letters are the first? Is the first one 2,
4, 5,
4,
6,
6, 8?
So,
Oh,
pares
take
lang 8. Sige. Let's go to
Yan. Hindi po namin maisip ano
Hindi
yung...
po talaga namin makita. Pasensya. Pasensya na po, guys.
Ano kaya?
Ang hirap naman
Do we
ito.
need a hint?
Yeah,
Shall we-
maybe let's use the hint na lang since we have 17 of them. But we'll not
So,
use the 17 of them for this one.
Yeah, ngayon lang po namin gagamitin itong
Oo.
hint na to.
Actually, gusto namin siya i-shuffle eh. B.
Did you see that?
B.
So that one is
The B,
a letter
it's a B.
B.
Tapos na yung Banshee. Gusto mo i-shuffle?
Okay. Oh, yun pala. There's a function for shuffle pala.
Shuffle ba to? O baka mamaya, ano to? Redo yun level. Is that a shuffle or redo?
I clicked it. I don't know what happened.
It didn't turn.
The other myth. Myth.
Di. Kasi wala naman
No.
ako kumikinti.
Hindi alam po pala.
Monsters that start with the letter B. Ako, I'm very desperate. Diba?
Ayan.
Monsters that start with B, ha? Wala talaga tayong makuha eh.
Naisip ko. Joke lang to. Boy Hamon. Kasi hindi aabot mo na yung...
Ano?
Sorry. Boy Hamon.
Shucks! Hindi siya abot.
Joke lang. Yung mahilig sa ano po dyan. Shoutout po sa mga mahilig sa hamon. Ayan.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. I think I got the other one. That's
The
the
first
first one
one.
is a boogeyman.
oh.
Boogey. That's man.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Wikipedia.
Wait lang.
Thank you for helping me, Wikipedia.
A B-O? Oh, sorry.
Bog.
Y?
Ey.
Okay.
Bogey.
Sorry.
Thank you, Wikipedia. Nag-google talaga ako ng monsters na segmented. MAN.
Oh,
Alright. Down. Yep.
There it is.
The one. And the other one is a behemoth.
Oh, okay. Got
this one I saw. I guess
this one's
this is
a
biblical thing, right?
Well,
No.
they say it's a mythical of pero yeah.
It's actually a Jewish.
Yeah.
It's of Jewish origin.
Mythical character.
It's a massive beast, possibly like a dinosaur or an elephant. It's a behemoth.
Yep.
Oo. Kung hindi pala talaga nawala yung isa, no? Hindi natin malalaman yung isa.
Yeah, so behemoth. This is what they say na parang in the biblical term since they don't have then they don't have the term dinosaur yet. This is one of the
right.
yeah. Kumbaga parang it's a large beast that's diba?
Okay. This one.
Or
There's a trivia here. Behemoth. A beast from the book of Job, and it's a form of primeval chaos monster created by God at the beginning of creation. So, mga prehistoric, no? Diba?
Well, yeah. The term prehistoric is basically an evolutionary
Yeah.
Not biblical, so it's not necessarily prehistoric. It's it's part of ancient history.
Nasa Job 40, 15 to 24. According to Merriam-Webster. Yun pala yun.
Yeah.
Ayun. Hindi talaga natin magigets kung hindi matatanggal yung isa.
Yeah. Boogeyman. Yeah. This is I guess, I don't know, is that what they say na you'll find under your bed, something like that?
Let's see.
Or in your closets like that. Parang ganun, Pokemon. Parang ganun. So yeah, anyways, that's
They said it's used to frighten children.
frightened children. That's
Probably under your bed.
ito western parang scary monster na they frighten children about.
First one is kind of easy here. I actually mentioned it. One of the villains of Bookworm Adventures.
Oh.
The Hydra. Diba? The Hydra has 7 heads. And you get to battle each head in different levels sa Bookworm Adventures.
Oh, okay. What's a Hydra?
Hydra. Yeah. Next. The other one is a Z. Ayun.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Oh, zombie! In your head. Yeah. Oh, yeah. These are familiar. The other one is a mummy.
Sorry. Okay, so yeah, basically a zombie is like an undead mummy.
Wala nang Y.
Sorry. Sumobra yung ating Ayan. Patawad na po.
Yung kanta ng The Cranberries ba yun? Zombie.
Mummy.
Yung mga nagkakaraoke dito sa labas.
Okay, so mummy. This one's an ancient Egyptian, basically, mummies are not necessarily monsters. They're, preserved bodies of, ancient.
Ancient kings.
Pero yun nga, ginawa
Pharaohs.
silang katatakutan and all that na, they, mga undead or yun nga, naging zombie, ganyan. So they're wrapped up with, actually, hindi lang siya Egyptian, it's not just an Egyptian, if you would look at ancient civilization, they actually do mummification to...
They wrap these,
yes. Yeah. To wrap,
the
diba?
dead.
Wrap the dead. Like, katulad niyang, diba? Yung sa scene na si Jesus, binuhay niya si Lazarus. So, yeah. Lazarus is wrapped. So, yeah. Anyways.
Ng dead man's clothes.
Yung linen. Yeah.
Linen.
Ayan. So, yeah.
Okay. This
We got
one.
3 words. Yeah.
Got 3 words here. Ano to?
We got 3 words.
Monsters with the letter B ulit. But.
Oh, I got the...
Okay. What's the first one?
I don't know if that's a word, but let me check. I might get it wrong. Let me check that.
Okay.
Ilalagay ko sana tipsy. So it's not.
When you get so drunk.
Yeah. That's not a monster. Oh well, some get tipsy, becomes but no.
Drinking.
That's not.
Ang layo ng connection ng I sa T.
Okay, I got the one.
Okay,
I guess
the first one.
Okay, let's see.
Beauty
Oh, it is.
Beast.
It's a not necessarily monster, but yeah,
it's an umbrella term for all of these monsters.
Yeah. It's a general term, even to animals, diba? Na wild animals, beasts.
Beasts of the field, diba?
Yeah. So yan, Beauty and the Beast. So it's
the
a
other
monster.
The other one is
Another 5 and the other one's a 6. Natawa tuloy ako doon sa tipsy, mali.
Connection ko sa tipsy. T-I-P-S-Y. May connection ka actually. Ano isa?
Oh. Ano kaya yan? Let's see. Ano kaya yung isa, no? Let's... Do you have any idea?
Teka lang.
Oh!
Sige.
Oh, okay.
Yan yun nga.
Wait lang. Let me get the other one. Wait, no. It's not. Okay. It's not a word, sorry. Ano kaya? Oh, it's this. Do you have any idea with this?
Nah. Hindi. Teka lang.
Oh, okay. Yeah. There is a harpy.
Yeah, there is, and it's a monster.
Oh,
A harpy is a half human and a half bird.
Oh, okay.
Often believed to be a personification of storm winds. Pero ito,
Alright. Nice.
Ano?
Okay.
Tis-
That's a wild guess. I just search it and there's a word.
Pero, I'm about to search that too.
Nice.
Oo.
So yeah, harpy. And this one is a
Ano?
oh come on.
Oh.
How is this yeah. Well,
How is
there
this
are
a monster? But there are some people who
Yeah. How believe
use this as an umbrella term for
for like familiar
those
yeah, demons. Like that.
Oo.
So, yeah.
That's one of the umbrella terms. Oh, we finished. But yes.
And
Oh, yeah.
we're on the last one. 10.
Yes. But I actually got the first one. If you're watching Harry Potter, I know I'm not, but at saka dun sa Hunchback of Notre Dame, yung dun sa may itaas ng mga architectural buildings nila, they have a gargoyle.
Ooh, what's that?
Gargoyle. Sige, let's research what a gargoyle is.
GOY.
Gargoyle.
Where's the YLE?
YLE. Yeah, beside the letter L.
There it is.
So actually, a gargoyle,
Mhm.
decorative na siya. Pero mukha siyang monster talaga. Okay? What does the gargoyle symbolize now? Gargoyles and grotesques have been attributed to the power to ward off evil spirits, guarding the buildings they occupy and protecting those inside. So this gargoyle, the mythical creature, it protects now buildings and the people inside it. Pero syempre to, familiar tayo, WERE.
Werewolf. Yeah. So,
Spelling mo ulit.
that?
WERE. Were, as in were.
Okay. Yes.
La I were,
Oh,
if I
okay.
were you. Ganon.
Okay.
So yung gargoyle pala ay protector ng buildings according to mythology.
Yeah. So this one's a werewolf again, of course. Yung sa Twilight, yung si Jacob, yung other
May mga team,
bago.
baka may mga team Jacob dyan at mga team Edward.
So
I haven't actually read the series, but I watched
yeah,
the series and
I'm not
didn't. Sorry sa mga fans ng Twilight, but yes, I didn't kind of like it talaga. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm not also. Yeah. For again, as mentioned, I'm not quite afraid of
Hindi kami,
such. Pero yeah, I'm not really
oo.
a fan of
Yes. In fact,
mga vampire.
hindi kami fans niyan. So, pasensya na kung
Yun
natin siya curvy.
Yeah. So anyways, yun nga, no, werewolf, ito yung sinasabi nila.
Click.
No, pagka yung full moon daw, which is actually, I don't know, it's a myth in itself na parang pag nag-full moon, parang these werewolves, parang nag-transform sila, ganun. Parang actually, it's one of the myth na, na it has something to do with the moon. No?
Yeah.
Yung, that's a different story.
Yep.
With this topic, yung werewolf and the moon, yung what's the relationship of that? Pag nag-full moon and all that. So anyways, yun, we have accomplished 5. Nice.
Actually, I've accomplished this level, although somehow quite a bit hard for us who are not monster fans, not horror fans, not myth fans.
Yeah.
But yeah, we did it.
Learning.
We did it. Yay!
Learning experience, it's
yes.
Vocabulary, which is something that we want naman. The challenge is, yun nga parang yun yung challenge.
Hindi naman namin nililimit yung sarili namin sa learning new stuff.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi kami fan nun. But yeah, we learned a lot too. And hopefully you did.
Yes. So, if you stayed and nakaabot kayo sa
sa dulo ng video na to. Again, please, sa background namin, please follow, like, share, and subscribe. Ayun. So, again, I hope you learned something today. So, yes, this has been Jai Mitch signing off. Bye, everyone. See you on the next.
Bye.
Bye.